I placed a big container on the table, so that the water that I use later will not spill all over the floor. Then I placed a box inside the container, with a food tray on top of it. Now, with the tray higher than the container, I won't see the container when I take the shot. I placed a blackboard as the background. With my Godox V1 flash at the back of the container, facing the blackboard, I attached a blue gel, so that I can create a blue gradient background in my shot. I set the flash at 1/4 of power. The reason I placed this board with the black one on top, is to create a thin layer of water for the splash effect later on. You cannot have a nice splash pattern, when you have too much water. I placed some rods to hold down the floating boards. Then I poured some water until it filled up to the rim, and covering the boards. I used this Ralph Lauren Polo Sport perfume for this shot. The bottom of this perfume bottle is not flat, so it cannot create the splash pattern that I want to shoot. In order to create a flat base, I used a black plastic hollow board. I attached the round base to the perfume bottle with modeling clay. I placed another flash at 45 degrees to my left, and above my subject. I set this Godox TT685 flash at 1/4 of power. Then I placed a big white diffuser in between the flash and my subject, to create a white band on the perfume cap. Stop. I used my Canon 5D Mark IV with the 50mm lens. I set my camera at f/22, ISO 400, and shutter speed at 1/200 of a second. My Godox X2T will trigger both of my Godox flashes. Try as many times as you like, until you get the shot that you want. This is how I shot it. See you in my next project.